So in today's video I will be showing how to wire two basic toggle switches to a Leo Bodnar IO card. You will be needing some wire, some toggle switches, a soldering iron with solder, a wire stripper and some cutting pliers. As you may have noticed, there are 3 poles on the switch. 2 for the on function and 1 for the ground, which is the middle. We will start with pre-soldering the switches. After that we can add the wire to it. Let's start by cutting 2 wires at the same size and stripping them. And now we pre-solder the wire so it can be soldered onto the switch. The first wire will be soldered onto one of the function poles of the switch. Ensure a stable connection and you're good to go. After that we will add the ground wire, which will go on the center. We will repeat this process for the second switch, but this one will have a short ground wire. That is because this ground wire will be connected to the ground pole of the other switch. This is called a shared ground connection, and it just reduces the amount of wires that you need. This is pretty much it for the soldering. Now we will just strip all the wires and start putting them in the Leo Bodnar card. We start by putting the long ground wire from one of the switches into one of the ground connections of the Leo Bodnar card. Just press the button and insert the cable. No soldering needed. And the 2 function wires of the 2 switches will go into B1 and B3. And plug in the USB cable. On your computer, open up the joystick manager and you will see that the card will be recognized and 2 of the switches can be flicked. You can now load up any game you want and assign some functions to them.